Discover how to free up disk space on Windows 10 by safely deleting pagefile.sys and hiberfil.sys files. Let's get started. First, let's search for the File options. Easy peasy, just type File options in your search bar. Next, click on File Explorer when it pops up. Now let's make sure we can see all the hidden files and folders. Click on View, then select Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. Uncheck Hide Protected Operating System Files. Recommended. Click Yes when prompted. Then click Apply and OK. Open File Explorer, then click on this PC. Double-click on your C drive. There it is, the notorious pagefile.sys. Now let's deal with it. Search for Advanced System in the search bar. Click on View Advanced System Settings. In the System Properties window, click on Settings under the Performance section. Click on the Advanced tab and then Change under the Virtual Memory section. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Select No Paging File, then click Set. Click Yes, then OK twice. Now, let's restart your computer. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select Restart. Open File Explorer again and navigate to this PC. Double-click on the C drive. That large pagefile.sys file is gone. Success. Let's open the command prompt as an administrator. Search for CMD. Then click Run as administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Now, type powercfg.exe off and press Enter. Do it again just to be sure. Type Exit and press Enter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.